Hello and welcome again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide any folder or any file in your Windows computer. So to do that, we are going to open the File Explorer. So we are inside of the File Explorer now. Okay, just click on it, or you can press the Windows button along with the E button. So if I do that, you can see another folder is now open. Another File Explorer tab is open. You can press Windows E like this. So now let me go to the music folder. Okay, so over here, as you can see, there are some folder already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new folder. So right click, then new, then folder, and let's say private. Okay, so I can put any folder inside of this folder, or any file which is I'm going to hide, or you are going to be hide from your computer, so anyone can't see those things. So how you can do that? After the file is created, and I'm going to create a text file also. Let's say text file. So this file folder is now not empty, it has some file content inside of it. So to do that, I'm going to right click on this, and then I'm going to click on the properties. Once you are on the properties, okay, and this is the properties of this particular folder, and if you look below, you can see this is the attributes. Okay, so it's saying that it's selected on the read only applied to files in the folder. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, hidden. So if I select this one, hidden, and apply OK, now it's saying confirm attribute change. You chosen to make this following attribute change hidden. Okay, so this is the information it's saying. Now it's saying that do you want to apply these changes to this folder only, or do you want to apply it to all subfolder and file as well? So you can select it from here. You can select if you wanted to change this particular setting to the folder only, then you can do that, or this will change this folder, subfolders and files. So okay, and then okay, and now as you can see, this folder is gone. So if I close it and then open again, go to the music folder, and see the file is not there. So it's hidden now. But now you may be thinking how we can view it again. So to do that, click on the view over here, then show more, then select hidden items, and then again the folder is appear. You can see the icon is a bit gray out because it's showing us that this particular folder is hidden. And if you open it, the file that we have created is also here. So you can use this, and if you wanted to hide again, then just go to the view, show more, and then unselect this, and it will be gone again. So if you find any value from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.